sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Quit looking at me in the face. Jesus. Got him. Ladies and gentlemen, Misha Collins. I hope that wasn't an interesting question because I totally just interrupted him. Misha? Was it interesting? Okay. Not interesting. It was Misha. Who I love sometimes. This has been an awesome first day. As you all know, I have been here for 2 years.